Lesson 4. Formatting a worksheet. Excel has a number of formatting options to give your worksheets a polished look. For performing mathematical calculations, Microsoft Excel is the most popular software. It provides facilities to illustrate data in a tabular form comprising rows and columns. Data are organized easily by this method. Spreadsheet is also called worksheet. Excel provides facility to assess and analyze the changes in input. It has added feature of chart form. It is really an efficient way to analyze and understand data in a pictorial manner. Getting started. Creating a workbook. Click New button on the standard toolbar to create a new workbook, or select File, then New command. Formatting numbers. Values are displayed as general numbers by default. To change the appearance of numbers, including date and time, you can use number formats. Values can be displayed as currency, percentage, fraction, dates, etc. Commonly used number formats are as follows. Currency. It will display the currency along with a number applying 2 decimal places. Percentage. For representing the number as percent, this feature is used. Commas. Commas are displayed in between numbers so that the digits can be easily understood. It automatically applies 2 decimal points. Applying comma format. Select the range A1, A3. Click on comma style button present on formatting toolbar. The numbers in the selected range show 2 decimal points. Comma will appear in between the numbers if they are in thousands or greater. You can also apply percentage and currency format by clicking on percent and currency style button on the formatting toolbar. You can also format numbers by selecting format cells and clicking on number tab. If needed, select the appropriate number format and then click OK. To open Format Cells dialog box, click right mouse button on the selected cell and choose Format, then Cells option from the shortcut menu. Changing decimal points. If required, the number of decimal places can be changed. On the formatting toolbar, increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons are present. They enable you to control the number of decimal places. You can have 1 to 15 decimal places in a cell. Adjusting column width. Sometimes an entry in a column is too long to fit in a cell. The entry will appear as #### in case of numeric data. When you enter text that extends into text cell, the dividing line between columns will not be visible. If you enter data in next column, the text in previous column will be shortened and appear partially. We have to adjust the column width and row height in order to make the data readable. Follow these steps. Type the text Nature Wealth in cell A1 and press enter. Select cell A2. Position the mouse pointer to the dividing line between column headers, that is A and B. The mouse pointer will change into cross with double-headed arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to right or left in order to increase or decrease the size respectively. Release the mouse button. Column width will be adjusted accordingly. By double-clicking on the column heading, the column width can be changed. Protect workbook or worksheet. In order to prevent anyone from making any changes to your workbook, Excel provides you an option to get your worksheet protected. Follow these steps. Choose Tools, then Protection, then Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, enter the password and click OK. Another dialog box prompts you to re-enter the password for confirmation. Type the same password and click OK. The worksheet is protected. Now, one can view the worksheet but cannot modify its contents. Setting cell alignment. The positioning of characters within the cell is called alignment. We know that text is always left aligned and numbers are right aligned. The text can be aligned to left, right, centered or justified as per your requirement. Select the cell to be formatted. Click on Format, then Cells option. Format Cells dialog box will open. Click on Alignment tab. Click on the horizontal list box. Choose Center from the displayed list. Your data will get center aligned in the cell. Click on the vertical list box and then select Top. Your text will be placed in upper part of row. Click in the Wrap Text checkbox under Text Control to make the option active. A tick mark will appear in the selection box. Click on OK. The selection will apply to selected cells. By moving the text vertically or spinning it to the number or degrees, orientation of text can be changed. Center the heading. Text can be placed in the center across a group of columns to create attractive headings. Type the text Formatting toolbar in cell A1. Press Enter key. Select the cells from A1 to E1. Click on Merge and Center button present on the formatting toolbar. The title in cell A1 will be center aligned between the cells A1 and E1. Lines which divide the columns will not appear. Using Auto Format. With the help of Auto Format feature, built-in table formats are applied to a range of cells. Apart from saving time, these pre-designed formats also give a modified appearance to your worksheet. Select the range of cells, choose Format, then Auto Format option. The Auto Format dialog box will open up. Choose any format of your choice and click the Options button. Formats to apply section will appear at the bottom of the dialog box. Click one or more options to omit them. Click OK to apply the selected format. Notice the change. Freezing spreadsheet titles. The only problem with Excel occurs when your spreadsheet has more than just a few columns and rows. While scrolling through your data, you can easily lose track of which data is contained in the columns and rows, forcing you to scroll all the way to top or all the way to the left just to see which data you are looking at. By freezing pens, you can avoid this confusion and work more efficiently. Place the mouse pointer below the fields to be frozen, say A8, click on Window, then Freeze Pens. Notice that a line appears on the document indicating frozen area. As you scroll downwards, the frozen part stays stationary on the screen while the rest of the text moves. Click on Window, then Unfreeze Pens in order to unfreeze the cells. Tip: similarly, in order to freeze one or more columns, you can make a vertical freeze line. Points for review. For performing mathematical calculations, Microsoft Excel is the most popular software. Values are displayed as general number by default. The auto format feature is a built-in table format that can be quickly applied to a range of cells. Double-click on the column heading to increase or decrease the column width. We can get our workbook protected in order to prevent others to make any changes in it. We can freeze columns, rows, or both so that frozen titles remain in view as we scroll through the sheet.